Greetings, online kings and queens. I'm the Affiliate King, here to help you achieve freedom and live like royalty through your business online. So today we're going to talk about ITA, or Internet Traffic Academy, which is the #1 internet marketing course in all existence. The #1 problem that people struggle with, or businesses struggle with, is traffic generation, okay? And this new training, this new course, Internet Traffic Academy, is going to help you solve that problem, and it's going to change your business and change your world forever. On top of that, I'm also going to give you a bonus of my 24-hour Google ranking system, okay, which is going to help you achieve help you put your business on the first page of YouTube and Google in under 24 hours, putting you in front of red hot customers instantly and bringing floods and floods of traffic to your business absolutely for free. It's a $997 training, and I'm going to give it to you for free with your purchase of Internet Traffic Academy. But first, I'm going to turn you over to Vic Stryzus, the creator of Internet Traffic Academy, and let you hear what he has to say about it. It's the Affiliate King here, and now I'll pass it over to Vic.
Hey everybody, Vic Stryzus here, and I'm recording this video to the entire 4% community. So if you're watching this, please take your time and watch this entire video to the very end, because this might be the most important video I will shoot, and an announcement I'm about to tell you might be the most important this year of 2019. So I'm recording this video for you. It's going to be very short, but it's going to be super, super important. For the first time ever, I am super excited to officially start talking about the rollout of the all brand new, reimagined, redesigned, completely built from ground up 4% 4.0, which is going to be a world-class, completely redesigned user experience, learning experience, community. We're bringing a lot of things together. But the reason I'm shooting this video for you is to talk to you about the big launch that we are preparing to go into, and that is about traffic generation, right? So we're about to launch Internet Traffic Academy. Now, let me tell you what this is, how significant this is for you, for the rest of the industry, and for everybody who's doing anything on the internet, whether they're in affiliate marketing, in network marketing, direct selling, e-commerce, doing consulting, agency, doesn't matter. The #1 problem, the #1 challenge that most of those people in all those industries and genres have in common is what? Traffic, right? And you can ask anybody at any time, in any industry, in any genre, they all say, my #1 biggest challenge in business is how do I get more visitors, and how do I convert those visitors into leads and sales, right? Well, as you know, over the last year or so, we launched a product to teach traffic generation, and we called it Internet Traffic Mastery. Now, Internet Traffic Mastery, the reviews that we have been getting from it is absolutely phenomenal. We wanted to, come out there and we wanted to claim the territory of traffic and conversions in this industry, okay, as 4% from our company. And the reason for that is because I have been a student of traffic and conversions for the last 13 years now. My mentor said, Vic, there's only 2 things you can master, as an entrepreneur, which is how do you get traffic, how do you convert it into leads and sales. You will never be hungry. And he was right. I've dedicated over a decade of my life mastering this topic. And I can tell you this, we're among the best, if not the best, in the entire world when it comes to generating traffic, converting it into leads and sales. The way I approach traffic is completely different than anybody else will teach you on the internet right now. Okay, so I'll just pull up the stats here, and maybe we can pop them on a screen. But looking at the statistics here, just in the last 36 months alone, okay, just in the last 36 months alone, we have generated over 17,596,068 unique visitors just over the last 36 months. That comes out to about 488,000 unique visitors every 30 days, every month. Okay, that's over 16,000 visitors on average every single day. Can you imagine being able to generate over 16,000 visitors every single day for the last 3 years straight on average? That's significant. Now, that's obviously that generated tens of millions of dollars for what we do here. But the way that I generate traffic is I did not pay for all those visitors. Our approach is completely different. Over the last 10 years, I've created, if you are inside of the Internet Traffic Mastery, you know my approach. I've bought everything that I had I could get my hands on when it comes to traffic and conversions over the last, ever since I've discovered this concept of getting good and skilling up. in generating traffic. And I decided to become the best at it. And it allowed me to make a lot of money in the industry. As you know, you're part of the 4%. I was able to dominate affiliate marketing. I was able to, be number one, income earner in virtually every single company that I've ever promoted as an independent affiliate. Okay, not because I'm somebody smarter, but because I was following a blueprint that I've developed for myself over the years on driving traffic and then converting that traffic into leads and sales. And now I have been teaching this kind of stuff over the last, probably several years ago. I had a company. It's no longer my company, but what we did was taught traffic generation. Now what we're doing is we're bringing back, because there's a great demand on traffic, right? So from 4%, especially with this 4% 4.0, we're claiming that territory, okay? And so we're launching out a product. It's called Internet Traffic Academy. This is not just a product. This is a completely different way that teaches people how to think and speak the language of traffic. This is unlike anything else in existence right now. And Internet Traffic Mastery, I'd like to show this to you. So it will live in the all redesigned brand new 4% 4.0. And Internet Traffic Mastery will become one of the 5 pillars that will constitute the Academy. Okay, so as you can see on the screen here, okay, so Internet Traffic Academy, this is the actual development site that we're about to launch out. And I would like to give you, okay, listen to me right now, I'd like to give you access to the entire Academy at no additional cost, okay? Let me tell you how we're gonna do this, okay? First and foremost, let me preface this by saying this. 4%ers, if you're watching this video, if you have been following my work, okay, you're not typical. And you should not see yourself and look at yourself as a typical person. You're the top 4% of the, of everybody else in the industry. See what I'm saying? That's the concept of a 4%er. To get to the top, you have to have certain skill sets in business, in marketing, promotions, and everything that, in between, right? So this is what we're teaching. I wanted to do something for our community, for 4% community, that will first of all help you achieve your goals in whatever it is that you're doing. You might be affiliate entrepreneur, maybe you're going through the success challenge and you're promoting affiliate products, maybe you are doing e-commerce, digital agency, whatever you might be doing. You knowing how to drive traffic and how to build a list, how to communicate to that list, right? How to create your own tribe, it will be a non-negotiable skill. It's not something that you can outsource to anybody. So stemming from that mindset, stemming from that intent, right, I wanted to give you a gift that will change the rest of your business. And so here is what this is going to look like. When we launch Internet Traffic Academy, this is going to be a big public launch, okay? And Internet Traffic Academy will have 5 pillars. It will have Internet Traffic Mastery, and Internet Traffic Mastery, you'll get to learn how to drive unlimited traffic to any website, product, or offer. Okay? How do you get traffic? Now, Internet Traffic Mastery, currently we have that product, and we have been selling this product for $2,000. Right now, it sells on our website publicly, on 4%.com for $2,000. Okay? And we have a lot of sales coming in. We have nearly 2,000 people that have purchased that for $2,000. What we're doing with that is we are upgrading Internet Traffic Mastery as a product in general as well. Okay, so we're not taking the existing Internet Traffic Mastery and then including that into the Academy. We're actually creating a brand new product. It's going to be about 30 to 50% new content, and we're including the most cutting edge, most potent, what's working now type strategies, practical ideas, how-tos on how to drive traffic. So for example, I'll give you an example. Influencer marketing is a big thing, okay? And I'm teaching the entire blueprint of traffic generation that I have been following, but it's enhanced, it's improved, it's most cutting edge, it's what's working now, right now in 2019 as we, getting ready to the 2020. So another thing that's a huge addition to the Internet Traffic Mastery as a pillar will be this thing called intent-based marketing, okay, for search engines. So for example, when somebody goes to Google and they search for a laptop computer, right? Or they search for iPhone 11. That's a hot thing right now at the time I'm shooting this video for you. And they want to know a little bit about that, right? So what's their intent? Well, their intent is they want to either buy it, they're looking for what's available, so their intent is to get more information about that phone. Now, here is what you and I can do as marketers when you understand the strategy is huge. When that person, okay, does his searching on Google, we know that they were interested in an iPhone 11. When they go to YouTube, for example, or any other Google's networks, okay, do you know that I can pop an ad in front of that person? Let's say they're watching cats play or dogs, sing or whatever, something completely unrelated, but because I know that they searched on Google 2 days ago or 2 weeks ago, I can put that ad for that iPhone 11 right in front of that user because I know their intent and what they did. Sounds creepy, sounds hokey, right? But it's available to us. So as marketers, when you understand how to do that, and this is just one of many, many things that we're adding inside of the Internet Traffic Mastery, you can be laser-like, right? So you're not shooting from like a bazooka and trying to hit your target. You're being sniper-like in your approach. It saves you time, it saves you money, it gets you tremendous return on your investment in everything related to that, right? So how do you get the right type of traffic? So this, among many, there's like 12 modules just in Internet Traffic Mastery. Over 40 hours of content just on generating traffic, okay? But then what we do is I teach you how to create a traffic machine so that you're never dependent on the latest Facebook algorithm. You're never dependent on what Instagram is going to do, or if the TikTok is the next hottest thing or whatever. You use those platforms in a very creative, very strategic, specific way that I'm going to teach you, but then you build your own internal well of fresh water to drink out of. So imagine if, maybe as a metaphor, if you have your own well of fresh water to drink out of and it's yours, you never have to be thirsty again, right? You don't care what's going on out there. You have your own well. This is what I teach you when it comes to traffic generation. Okay? I don't have a lot of time to talk about this, but this is just an Internet Traffic Mastery. Now, then we go to List Building Mastery. And List Building Mastery, each one of these are individual courses. And they're very, very elaborate. They're very detailed, okay, with a lot of how-tos, a lot of strategies. And each one of these courses teach you the language of what that course is all about. So when we're talking about traffic, it teaches you the language of traffic so that you're not just, shooting in the dark. You understand how to maneuver in that world in generating traffic. Then, what do you do when the traffic shows up? It's very important for you as an entrepreneur to understand what to do with it. How do you capture that traffic, right? So we have a pillar in the academy called List Building Mastery. And List Building Mastery, these are advanced strategies that instantly turn your cold visitors into hot subscribers. So in other words, you capture that traffic. You build a big list, which is your business asset, right? You need that. Now, what do you do then? Well, you have a traffic. You understand how to capture it, how to build your list. What do? What's the intention beyond that? Well, it's to convert them, right? So you want to convert them into customers. And so we have a pillar that we have created, the entire pillar dedicated to conversion mastery. Okay? It teaches you how to effortlessly turn your prospects into buyers, how to get your people to say yes to whatever it is you're promoting. There is a way to do that. Okay? So it's like 3 separate courses under one umbrella, which is called the Academy. Okay? Now, we also have a pillar on copywriting mastery because that's really, really relevant. So think of anything that's related to traffic and conversions and everything in between, it's included inside the Academy, okay? So how do you communicate? How do you write compelling ads? Copywriting mastery is your ad writing, is you're shooting videos like this, like I'm talking to you right now. How do you structure that, right? I never script my videos, but I'm going to teach you the way to think when how do you come across compelling? How do you come across that people will want to follow you and do business with you and get into your world? It's very, very important. It starts with your ads, your communication, okay, your email copy, and everything in between, your webinars, your live streams, everything. That's included in copywriting mastery. Okay, so if you have ever suffered about how do I talk to my people? How do I run an ad? What do I say to my ad? How do I create a banner? How do I create a pay-per-click? What do I post on social? How do I do a live stream like this or whatever? Well, no longer will you have to think like that because I'll teach you everything that I know about copywriting mastery, okay? Then we have a 5th pillar, and we call it tribe building mastery. The reason you want to drive traffic and build a list and convert them into leads and customers, right? And then communicate with all these people throughout this whole process is why? Is because at the end of the day, listen to me very close, you want to build a tribe, okay? You want to build an audience that will respect you, that will listen to you, that will follow you, that will look up to you, that will look up to you for advice, for direction, for guidance. Make sense? So you want to build your tribe. If you don't have your tribe, Apple has their tribe. You ever wonder why Apple, when they launch a product, it's a multi-million-dollar launch? You know, billion-dollar launches they do. Why? Because they have a tribe. Make sense? Harley Davidson, they have a tribe. In your business, you need to have a tribe. I don't care if you have a product, but you need to have it. I'm going to teach you how to do that. 4%, we have a tribe. Okay, make sense? So these are 5 pillars that constitute the Internet Traffic Academy. And my friend, I would like to give you access to the Internet Traffic Academy for virtually nothing. Let me explain to you how that's going to work, okay? So if you already watching this video right now and you already have access to Internet Traffic Mastery, okay, which is a product we have out right now. It's been out for probably about a year. We have almost 2,000 people enrolled in that product right now, okay? So if you already have access to the existing Internet Traffic Mastery, you will get a complimentary upgrade to the Academy as soon as it launches out. You don't have to do anything. Congratulations, you made a very smart decision. This is a decision that will be, I'll say this will be the smartest decision you can do for your business, because without traffic and conversions, you have no business. You have no customers. You're just like everybody else out there trying to make it. Make sense? All right? So if you already have Internet Traffic Mastery, congratulations, there is nothing you have to do. You're good. You'll be upgraded to the Academy. Okay? That's category number 1. Category number 2 of the people that will be watching this video inside of our community are the ones that do not have Internet Traffic Mastery. And obviously, you don't have Internet Traffic Academy yet because we have not launched it yet officially. Okay? So for those of you who do not have Internet Traffic Mastery yet, okay, and you would like to get into the Academy when it launches out, let's face it, you cannot afford not to get it. Okay? Here's what I'll do for you. Get your spot locked in the current Internet Traffic Mastery right now before this promotion expires. And on this page somewhere there's going to be a timer when this promotion goes away. This is internal only. We're not making this available for for public or anything like that. This is just for the 4% community. When you lock your spot in before this current insider promotion ends, you will lock your spot in for the Internet Traffic Mastery for just $997 one-time payment, no monthlies. Okay, with that, you will be upgraded to the Academy when we launch. So you don't have to pay nothing to get upgraded to the Academy. Okay? Now, I want to tell you how you can potentially have the entire thing at no cost. Interested? Check this out. When we go into a launch, we're going to do a big launch. It's going to be a big launch. It's going to be, we're going to target the entire internet. We're going to target the entire internet population. Affiliate marketers, network marketers, business people, consultants. We're just going to go crazy because everybody needs traffic and conversions, and they know it, and they're hungry for it. This is the most anticipated launch in our industry. And so this is going to be a big launch. We have a program inside the 4%. It's called Promotional Partners Program. Okay? You might be in it. You might be a promotional partner right now. Maybe you're not yet. So here's what we will do. Okay? I want to help you help yourself. Make sense? At the end of the day, you need this product no matter what you do. Whether you're with 4% or you're promoting your own thing or whatever you're doing, you need to understand traffic and conversions and everything like I just explained to you. You need that. You can get it later at whatever the cost is going to be, which is going to be $2,000. We're going to launch it at $2,000. However, listen to me. When we go into a launch, we're going to launch this with our promotional partners. Okay? As a promotional partner, here is how you can earn money by recommending and promoting Internet Traffic Academy. Remember, this is not a product that only a small group of people will want. This is a product that everybody is raving to get. You know what I mean? So, promotional partners, those of you who do not have current Internet Traffic Mastery, okay, you will be able to promote Internet Traffic Academy, and you'll generate the base rate for the percentage that we pay out for your commissions, which is 30%. Okay? That's fine. However, for those of you who own Internet Traffic Mastery, okay, and you are also a promotional partner, you will be able to generate 50%. We'll actually pay you 50% for the launch of Internet Traffic Academy. It's going to be about a 2-week launch. Okay? So you will be able to work with us together, and we'll be able to run together, create campaigns, and we'll do this together. But if you have internet traffic mastery, you will be able to earn 50% commissions. The product will sell. It's going to start selling at $2,000. Okay? I'm talking about the entire academy. So it will include, obviously, the internet traffic mastery, list building mastery, conversion mastery, copywriting mastery, and tribe building mastery. Okay? And so $2,000 is going to be a steal for what people are actually getting, because each one of these courses individually can sell for $2,000. And there's courses that are a fraction as good as what we're launching here that are selling currently for $2,000. So we will just come out there, we're going to dominate the industry with coolness, deliver people what they want, what they're looking for. We're going to serve them. Their $2,000 is going to be like if they paid us, it's going to be worth $200,000 for them in value. Okay? So our promotional partners, if you have internet traffic mastery right now, remember, you're also getting upgraded to the academy at no cost, and you will also be able to generate 50% commissions instead of 30. Okay, so if you do the math on it, one sale and you made $1,000, $998, something like that. You do the math. $1,997 at 50% commissions. Make sense? So here's what's going to happen for you. Net result, if you're serious about building your business, if you're serious about generating money, if you're serious about jumping on this wave that we're creating here in the industry, and it's going to be a big launch. Anytime we launch a product that's related to traffic, it's a massive win because people need it. And so the way we're going to do this is we're going to have a pre-launch content. You'll be able to promote it, free content. It's going to lead into a launch. It's going to be incredible. We're going to make a big, huge splash in the industry. It's going to be an absolutely amazing experience for you, an incredible opportunity for you to make real money, $1,000 per sale. Every sale, just imagine, if you do 5 sales, that's $5,000. If you do 50 sales, it's $50,000. Okay? You'll be able to recommend it. You can run with us. Here's what I want you to do. Okay? Right now, before this promotion expires, if you do not yet have internet traffic mastery, get it. On this page, it will tell you if you are active on internet traffic mastery or not. And if you're not, get it. Do not miss this opportunity because you will miss a lot. Not only will you miss getting upgraded to the academy at no cost, okay, but you also will miss an opportunity to get up to 50% commissions if you choose to recommend and promote Internet Traffic Academy when we launch. Does that make sense? By being our promotional partner. So here are your steps. If you do not yet have Internet Traffic Mastery, click on the button on this page, enroll immediately, lock in your spot. You will get upgraded to the academy. You'll get 5 pillars at no additional cost. Brand new content, brand new user experience, brand new learning experience, all in 4% 4.0. I cannot wait for you to get access to that. Next, when we go into a pre-launch, you can also, if you don't have a partner's account yet, create one. Doesn't cost you anything. And you'll be able to promote Internet Traffic Academy with us. And if you have Internet Traffic Mastery, remember, you're getting 50% commissions. So one sale and you already got your money back. Everything else is gravy, okay? This is a complete and utter no-brainer. My friend, you need this regardless what it is you're doing. The reason that I'm doing this for you and for our community, this is just for our community, is because I want to help our people as much as I can. Does that make sense? And so when I came up with this idea, I ran it through a couple of our people here, at the headquarters. One of them told me that I was crazy, but he liked the idea. I think it's going to be good for you. I think if you're promoting anything, this is your opportunity to get the best training in existence when it comes to traffic and conversions, the Internet Traffic Academy, and also lock in your spot to promote as we get ready for the big launch publicly for the Internet Traffic Academy, where you get to earn up to $1,000 in commissions per sale. Okay? So we'll talk a lot about that a little bit later on. Coming up to a launch, right now, your task, the next thing you need to do right now is enroll and get your spot locked in inside Internet Traffic Mastery. Do it before the timer expires because this is real. When this goes away, the entire promotion goes away. We're going to lock registrations to the Academy, to the Internet Traffic Mastery until we publicly reopen. And then the launch price on that one is going to be $2,000. Okay? If you want to pay double, wait. If you don't, smart entrepreneur that you are, that I know you are, lock your spot right now because why would you pay double if you don't have to? Make sense? All right. This is my message. I wanted to get this out to you as soon as possible. Appreciate you. I look forward to a great launch, and I look forward to seeing you succeeding big time.